Hello everyone, my name is Damlola Ladele, and today I'll be doing something different from what I did 2 weeks ago. I'll be solving the code word challenge, and the challenge is basically to write a function that converts a string to camelCase. So for this camelCase challenge, even the first word will be capitalized. Now let's get into it. I have my camelCase function here already, and I have string.prototype attached to it. String.prototype represents whatever string my camelCase function is called on, and I'm going to start by splitting that string. The way to go about that is I'm going to use the this keyword to represent it. So I'm going to have constant words equals this. I'm going to trim it just in case there are white spaces. Then I will split it using space as the delimiter. Split there is a JavaScript string method that returns an array of substring. So if I console log words, I'm going to get an array of items. Now let's test this. As you can see, on my left there I have an array of items. So the next thing I want to do is I want to iterate through my words array. So the way to do that is I'm going to create a variable capitalized words. Then I'm going to map through the words array words.map. I'm going to create an arrow function. Then for the parameters, I'm going to use word to represent the item, then index. So the first thing I want to do is I want to select the first character in each of the items in my words. So that will be return, then word dot char at index 0, and I will change it to uppercase. Then I'm going to add it to the rest of the characters. So that will be word dot slice select from index 1 then to lowercase. Now if I console log capitalized words, I'm going to get an array of items, and for every item the first character is going to be capitalized. So let's try this out. Console log capitalized words. Now let's test this. As you can see, the first character in each of the items are already capitalized. So the next thing I want to do is I'm going to join the array and return it. So return capitalized words dot join, and I'm going to use an empty string. Now if we test this now, it's going to work. Let's test it. As you can see, then let's attempt it. As you can see, it works. So I'm not going to stop here. We can actually shorten my code, and the way to do that is we can return it directly here by removing this variable. Then since we are using the arrow function, we don't need the return keyword, so we can delete this, then we can join it directly. So that will be dot join. Now let's test it. As you can see, it works. So that will be all for today, and if you would like me to try any code word challenge, please let me know in the comment section.